Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sujata. In this video, we are going to learn about the sentence. We know already a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense, right? So, these sentence consist of two parts, that is subject, predicate. The naming part of the sentence is called the subject. Naming part of the sentence is called subject. Then, what is talked about the subject in the sentence is called the predicate. Simple. Okay. So, here predicate is equals to verb plus other words. Okay. Let's see one example. The Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. Here, the Taj Mahal is a subject and is one of the seven wonders of the world is a predicate because it is talked about the subject in the sentence. Taj Mahal, right? So we have four kinds of sentences, that is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So what is declarative sentence? A sentence that makes a statement. Okay, a sentence that makes a statement. Okay, I am a student. Sita is a hardworking girl. It is a statement, right? He wants to become an engineer. Okay, she saw a peacock yesterday. Okay, is a declarative sentence. Next, interrogative sentence. A sentence that puts a question. Interrogation is a question, right? So, where are you going now? Have you finished your work? Will you please open the door? Okay, will you please open the door? When will you come to college? When will you come to college is a interrogative sentences. Next is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or request. Okay, don't be here. Please give a glass of water. Stop making noise. Okay. Please lend me your pen. Okay, these all types of comes under imperative sentence means expresses a command or request. Next, exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling. We have won the game. Oh my God, I forgot the book. Wow, what a scenery. Okay, all comes under exclamatory sentences. So please, okay, please practice all this. If you want notes, then I'll provide you the complete notes. Please do comment me. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.